Hi old-fashioned home cooks, join me today in the kitchen as I try to make the best hash brown casserole. This retro recipe is straight from my grandma's recipe box and is a cozy side dish that most of you will probably remember. Not only is this recipe a breeze to make with a bag of frozen potatoes, it's extremely versatile as a comforting dinner side dish, an easy make-ahead breakfast casserole, or a meal all on its own that you can dress up with your favorite toppings. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a quick and easy hash brown casserole. To start this recipe, I'm going to make the creamy, cheesy sauce. To a large sauce pot on medium-high heat, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of butter. When the butter is melted, sprinkle in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Whisk this together and allow it to bubble and cook the flour. I'm going to season it with 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and salt and pepper to taste. While whisking, pour in 2½ cups of milk. Whisk and stir this until it starts to bubble and you have a smooth, thickened sauce. Meanwhile, I'm going to add my frozen bag of hash browns to a rectangular casserole dish. I'm going to add about 2 cups of cornflakes to a freezer bag and crush them up. You could also use a food processor, but honestly I find this so much quicker and easier. Don't worry about crushing them too finely. This is going to be our crisp, crusty topping for the casserole. Now that my sauce is smooth and thickened, it's time to add in the richness and flavor. I'm going to stir in 1/4 cup of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. To assemble my casserole, all I need to do is pour the sauce over my hash browns. Give them a quick mix to make sure everything is evenly coated. And finally, sprinkle over top the crushed cornflakes. To help them crisp up, drizzle evenly over top 1/4 cup of melted butter. And that is it! My easy hash brown casserole is ready to go into my preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven for 45 minutes. And listen to that golden crispy crust on top. This is the perfect cozy comfort food to go alongside your favorite dinner or breakfast. This is a great potluck dish, or make this into a meal all on its own by adding some of your favorite toppings. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.